Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Zhiyun or Zhiyun or Zhiyun or Zhiyun, I don't know how to say it, Smooth 4. So this is a gimbal that is now readily available from many different places. You can get them from AliExpress, you can get them from eBay, in Australia you can buy it from Officeworks, you can get it online in multiple different shops. So it's been out for quite a while now, and the price has now dropped to about $129 Australian, so US probably about $100. But in some places they are still a little bit more expensive, but it has been superseded by obviously a whole bunch of new models. But the Smooth 4, because it's a slightly older model, is probably a good buying decision at the moment. It's around Christmas time in 2019. So I have bought one. I've been looking for a gimbal for a long time. I can't believe it's taken me this long to actually get one. I have had a, how should I call it, like a passive gimbal that I made myself in the past just to experiment with early on. So I've been waiting for a good value gimbal, and the Zhiyun seems to have a lot of really good reviews. There are a couple of quirks with it, but overall it's a good value gimbal at the moment. So yeah, like I said, about $129. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, that's a bit rusty. Anyway, let's go. Whoa, look at that. Very well packaged. What do we have here? What is this? What is this? What, it looks like a CD case. Is it actually have a CD? No, there's no CD. A service card. Yay! If it breaks, I can take it to, where's the nearest one? Indonesia. All right. So this is an important piece of paper because it explains that there has been a little bit of a compatibility problem with some Android devices. Okay, and what it basically says is that there is some compatibility issues with some mobile phones, and they can't guarantee if it's going to work with Android-based phones. Apparently there's been updates and what have you to make it work, but we'll see how it goes with my Samsung S8 and also on my iPhone SE. And what's this? And a quick start guide. Lovely. Everything you need to get rolling. I was aware of this issue with the Android, but I don't think it's going to really impact too much on what I'm going to use it for. Okay, so it's very professional looking, isn't it? It is just foam. It looks like a hardcover, but it's just foam. But anyway, here we go. So what do we get in the pack? Well, here it is. There's a gimbal. There she is. Beautiful. Wow, it's heavier than I thought it would be. Sign of quality, maybe. There's a little rotator on the side. Buttons. Anyway, so that's the gimbal itself. You get, what's this? Dangerous, do not eat. Okay, I'm not going to eat this. That's the little tripod mount for the bottom. Can I just pull it apart? I can. Look at that. So that's the little tripod you can use it for if you want to have it as, I suppose, you could still use some of the functionality of the gimbal when it's just standing still. There's follow functions and things, I think. So anyway, this is that. Handy. And you get a micro, no you don't. You get a Type-C, USB Type-C. Nice. So there you go. There it is. Okay, so that's the unboxing. I'm going to be really interested to see like a comparison between just like what the phone itself can do versus what it will look like with the gimbal, because there is obviously some software stabilization on your phones, on most phones these days, but with a gimbal it should be even better, especially when walking around. So should get some super smooth footage hopefully, and yeah, I'm looking forward to using it and telling you more and more. So that was the unboxing. Very simple, very basic. I like that. I like that there's not a lot of additional crap and bits and pieces through here. It's just cord, the gimbal, already assembled obviously and everything, and the tripod. So that's it, everybody. If you've got any questions about this gimbal, I'm going to start using it. So, as time goes on, I can answer here. Find my other videos. There's going to be plenty more coming on this gimbal. And yeah, any questions, comments, fire away. And just finally, can I also just ask, if you haven't already, just please subscribe down here. Down here, there's a little button somewhere, or maybe just underneath the video. If you could subscribe there, that'll be sweet. Thank you again to the subscribers that have continued to join up for whatever reason and to see these random videos. So yeah, that's it, guys. Have a good one.